time to start. Clear prop. Oh, baby. There she goes. It's too cold out. Gotta shut off. And good morning, everybody. Dadbods in here. Welcome back to the channel. Got the Supra in here. We're actually getting ready to hop in. Right now, we're rolling out to a Toys for Tots car meet fundraiser ordeal. It's gonna be a lot of people there, and some insane cars that I know of that are going. So it's gonna be a good trip, and we might make a couple stops on the way, meet up with a couple people on the way, and kind of rally there. I don't know. I'm trying to decide what I want to do so far, but let's get to this. First things first, we need a cold start. Damn. Look at that thing. That is nuts. Well, I was going to start just by saying I just got here. Got the Supra posted up here. Looking really good. I'm excited. And then Enthusiast, so Dirty Max Jack, that's their next giveaway vehicle. Looks way crazier in person. Decided to roll up, so I was like, oh, this is cool. So there you go. Supra's looking good. Got it all cleaned up last night in the new remodeled garage. We got some people getting here. I'm actually like 30 minutes early, but you know, if you're on time, you're late. If you're early, you're on time. Something like that. But look at some of these other trucks they got here at Lime Ridge. I mean, these are beautiful trucks. I think I might have to come here for my next truck because I was already talking to the wife about it. I miss not having my Duramax. Granted, it wasn't a new one like that or anything, but it was very cool, and I need a truck. Every time I get rid of my truck, I think, oh, I'm not going to need one, and then I end up needing one. So it is what it is. So I think I'm just going to have to cough up the money and get a truck after I get all my C8 and my Z06 stuff all sorted out. All right, so now more people are coming in here. We got like 15 minutes till we leave. Probably recognize a lot of these cars. We all pretty much go to the same thing. We've got a really clean first gen Cummins down there. Yeah, right there. I'm awful pointing my finger with the camera. But then we also got this twin turbo Huracan right here. Sounds so good. I'm gonna try to get clips of it on the highway, and we'll see how good it goes. Alrighty, so now we just left. We're going on the cruise. We got the twin turbo Huracan up front. Then Jack in their Enthusiast giveaway truck, which is amazing. We got a 392 Scat Pack right in front of us, and when we get on the highway, I'm gonna try to get some more rollers and stuff. We got a whole line of cars behind us. It's gonna be pretty good. We were supposed to leave at exactly 7:30. We left at 7:31, but I'm pretty sure we can make up some time. So let's go have a good day. I hate red lights. It's a really long red light. Alright, we're about to pull up there now. So we made it here. Sorry about the radio going off, but the place is packed. It's not even time to start, and people are already piling in here. I was able to park right here, show off the old Supra. Looks good. But let's go around and we'll check out some other cars. What's going on here? What is he starting
Yeah,
up?
he's gonna...
The ZR1?
Yeah.
so couldn't do anything crazy right there, pulling out because there's cops everywhere, obviously. Is what it is. I didn't really record much. I was talking to a bunch of people. I got to see a lot of you guys that were there, which was really cool. I just had an all-around a great time. It wasn't really about the videos, you know. It's kind of like just seeing everybody. So that's what makes it worth it for me. If you did come out today and I didn't get to talk to you, sorry. I tried to talk to basically everyone I saw, but there were just thousands of people here. So it is what it is. See me at the next event. I appreciate you guys for coming out and donating to a great cause, giving people, the families, toys and food for the holiday season is very important. A lot of people, you know, whether stuff came up in their life where they can't, they're not as fortunate as others to be able to provide the things. We want them to have the best holidays as possible and try to brighten their day a little bit. So whether you gave, you know, one toy, a fidget spinner, or you gave 1,000,000 toys, everything counts. Thank you very much for coming out. It was such a good time, and I really appreciate it, and I know the families definitely will as well. I'm gonna turn this thing off and out of sport mode real quick because yeah, it was a little how do you say, loud and a lot of cops. So we're not gonna do that today. I'm on my way home now. I gotta get back to work on the garage. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you watch the first video. I'm trying to get the next stuff done. I gotta get it done, like more of it, at least ready to go, because we have a car getting dropped off tonight to get wrapped this week. You ready, kids? So like I was telling you guys earlier, it's a whole lot different now. I can't just like be like, okay, cool, let me just take 2 weeks, knock everything out and be done, because we have a lot of working parts, right? There's a lot of moving parts around, and I can't just, you know, cancel everyone's appointments to get work done with us because I want to get the shop done. I have to get what I can in the little time gaps that I get to try to get as much of the stuff I can done, get knocked out. It looks good. Got little things we rush through. I gotta go back and fix later, but I'm just trying to get it able to be operable, if that's even a word. Good enough for us to be able to do stuff in. So yeah, we're gonna take this cruise home. I'm gonna try to stay out of trouble, even though I got people flying up on me. Everybody wants to race, but it's 33 degrees outside right now. There's no point in me racing. I'm just gonna spin the whole time. So, and there's way too many cops because of this event. So, not really worth it. But I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So we made it back to the house. Supra is still looking beautiful. And thank you all for coming out again. I know this probably wasn't a very long video. I really didn't get that much footage, which is my fault. Sorry about that. But I actually was able to plan out a couple more videos with some other people. So hopefully you guys will enjoy those. So make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to make sure you see those videos when they come out. All in all, great time. If you guys saw me today, make sure you comment below in the video. That way I can kind of like put YouTube name or username to face, if that makes sense. And then go ahead and message me if you guys have any pictures of the Supra or anything like that and you want me to post them or whatever. Feel free to send them to my Instagram. Same thing as YouTube at DadBodSeason610. Again, thank you everyone for coming out. It was such a great event. It was awesome seeing everybody. And I really, really, really hope that you guys feel good about giving to these families in need right now. And all in all, it's just a great cause. You know, it was nice to see everybody. It actually wasn't too bad out. It wasn't like in the teens or 20s, so it is what it is. At least it was sunny, kept us kind of warm. But thank you again. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.